Have you ever dreamed of quitting your typical 9 to 5 job and building your own small manufacturing business from home, or a workshop, or a small unit in a garage? Don't worry. In today's video, we are exploring 10 types of mini factory machines that can help you establish a genuine product-based business. And whenever you think of manufacturing, do you think of huge factories and investments worth crores? But many manufacturing businesses can now start on a smaller scale than traditional factories. Yes, in 2026, in some industries, smaller regional production units are becoming more common. So today in this video, we are going to analyze 10 specific mini machines that you can use to start a manufacturing unit from a small workshop or your home. But remember, this is not a quick or easy way to make money. Your success will depend entirely on your ability to manage raw material supply chains and maintain consistent product quality. Come, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Blister Packing Machine. A blister packing machine seals the products in transparent plastic cavities supported by a rigid material. It is in common use for pharmaceuticals, batteries, hardware items, stationery, and small consumer goods. Blister packaging is a popular packaging option for many businesses as it protects products from dust, moisture, and damage during transit. With this machine, you can offer packaging services to small manufacturers, local brands, and wholesalers. As organized retail continues to grow through 2026, there is a high demand for reliable packaging solutions. Number 2. Leather Embossing Machine. Leather embossing machine is used to create designs, logos, textures, and trademarks on leather items. It is commonly used for wallets, belts, handbags, notebooks, keychains, and gift items. Today, personalization has become a major trend, with customers increasingly preferring customized products. So with the help of this machine, you can provide engraving services to small businesses, leather goods manufacturers, and giftware companies. The growth in personalized gifting and branded merchandise is driving the demand in this business sector through 2026. Number 3. Steel Wire Ring Making Machine. The steel wire ring making machine is a machine that automatically produces rings of different sizes from steel wire. These rings are used in large quantities for binding products in sectors such as notebooks, files, key rings, industrial products, fencing systems, and packaging. So you can use this machine to produce rings of consistent size, and it is faster than manual methods. The raw material, steel wire, is generally available through local steel suppliers. This industry opportunity continues to be driven by increasing demand from the stationery, industrial, and packaging sectors. Number 4. Self-tapping screw making machine. Self-tapping screw making machines make screws that cut their own threads as they are being installed. These screws are widely used in furniture manufacturing, construction, electrical fittings, house appliances, and automotive applications. There is a constant demand for hardware products as every industry uses fastening elements. So you can start a screw manufacturing plant and supply it to local hardware distributors and industrial buyers. The demand for these viral components is driven by infrastructure development and manufacturing expansion. Number 5. Laser Engraving Machine. A laser engraving machine is designed to be capable of marking, engraving, and customizing on materials such as wood, acrylic, leather, metal, and plastic. It is widely used in trophies, promotional items, signs, gifts, and branding applications. Businesses are increasingly demanding customized products for marketing and corporate events. This machine gives you accuracy, speed, and little waste of materials, so you can service small workshops, retail customers, and commercial customers. The demand for customized products continue to grow as they often command higher sales margins than conventional products. Number 6. Cupcake Making Machine. A cupcake making machine is helpful to automate cupcake production for bakeries and food businesses. Cupcakes remain popular for birthdays, corporate events, celebrations, and cafe sale. Furthermore, the automation provided by this machine ensures consistency in size, quality, and production speed. So you can supply as a small food entrepreneur to local bakeries, retail stores, and online food brands with this machine. Attractive packaging and innovative flavors help enhance the product's value. But food businesses may require compliance with local food safety and licensing regulations. Number 7. Balloon printing machine. Printed balloons are used for weddings, business promotions, birthday parties, and public events. Event management companies frequently require customized balloon orders. This balloon printing machine prints logos, messages, and designs directly onto balloons, so small businesses can serve a wide range of customers at relatively low production costs. The printing technology allows for rapid customization of bulk orders. As events and promotional activities continue to expand, the demand for printed balloons remains strong. Number 8. Ball bearing assembly machine. Bearings are essential components that reduce friction and enhance the efficiency of machinery. The ball bearing assembly machine helps in fitting ball bearings used in machines, motors, automotive systems, and industrial equipment. Manufacturing industries rely on a reliable supply of bearings for maintenance and production operations. So you can assist in bearing assembly operations within a small and medium-sized manufacturing process, and then target businesses, industrial buyers, distributors, and equipment manufacturers. Industrial growth across various sectors supports continued demand for bearing-related products. Number 9. Incense stick making machine. An incense stick making machine is used to produce incense sticks efficiently and in large quantities. Incense sticks are used daily in homes, temples, offices, and places of worship. The demand for them remains steady throughout the year and often increases during festive seasons. So you can make incense sticks with the help of this automatic machine. Then, small producers can sell their products through wholesalers, retailers, and local distributors. Continuous demand and the opportunity to expand production make this a popular small manufacturing industry. Number 10. Toilet paper cutting machine. Toilet paper usage has become an essential household item across urban and rural markets. The demand for it arises from homes, offices, hotels, hospitals, restaurants, and companies. The toilet paper cutting machine is used to cut large tissue paper rolls into consumer-sized products that are ready to be packaged. So you can start a toilet paper business with consistent quantities with this machine. Then, small manufacturers can develop distribution relationships with local distributors and retail stores to sell your products. Growing awareness of hygiene and cleanliness continues to support demand in many markets. So friends, these are 10 small-scale factory machines that can help you build genuine manufacturing businesses. However, keep in mind that since each machine caters to a different sector, success depends on factors such as market research, product quality, distribution, and cost control. This video has been created solely for educational and informational purposes. Machinery maintenance costs, downtime, raw material availability, changing customer preferences, and local competition can significantly affect business performance. Therefore, before starting any business, conduct your own market research, consult industry experts when necessary, and verify all financial assumptions. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.